Hello, Yorobun. May audience ako dito si Colin. Anyways, wala akong phone. It's Saturday. I think it's 12:30 p.m. And we have an event sa org. So I'm going to Los Baños today. Sasabay ako sa inaanak kong si Jello to go to Los Baños. I'm not sure if I'll be able to film, pero I hope kahit montage, ganun, para makita nyo yung org scene sa UPLB as an alum. Yeah, I'll just prepare kasi medyo bare face ang first. And then, I'll go sa kitaan namin, tas doon na rin ako mag-lunch kasi it's 12:30. Yeah. Enjoy kayo sa montage. Also, I forgot to share. I'll be using sunshield today. So, ito yung Sunwear sun cream na nakuha ko from Vice Cosmetics event. So, we'll be trying it out today. Yeah. Sobrang sad kasi ito lang yun siya. Ito lang yung nakuha kong freebie. I'm not sure if you watched the vlog of the event itself. Pero, ayun, konti lang yung nabigay na freebies sa amin. Kasi dun kami sa first event. Yung sa second event ata, yung buong line na yung pinabigay. Pero yun, sobrang sad. Pero let's try with what we have. So, ayun, pakita ko dito kasi hindi ako mag-vlog, hindi ako mag-get ready with me sa TikTok because nakasalamin ako and ayoko mag-contacts. So, ayun. Pag nag-vlog ako pag nag-get ready with me ako sa TikTok, nakakontak ako. Anyways, share ko lang. So, yun. Try na natin yung sun cream. I don't think I tried this out dun sa mismong event. Kasi parang wala silang trial nitong actual product. But let's see. So, manufacturing date is March 2025. And it's made in Korea. Wow. Sa ingredient list, water ang pinakauna. I'm not sure if you care about it. Tapos di ko na alam yung mga sumunod. Dibutyl adipate. So, ang ano niya ay quick absorbing invisible sun cream. Hopefully, okay na to use as a sunscreen. Kasi I won't be using my sunscreen today. Para lang ito yung magamit ko. Pero yeah. I think enough for one use yung isang sachet na binigay nila. No. Ang sad talaga kasi ito lang yung freebie. I mean, gets naman na. Buti nga may freebie. Pero meron pa ako nakuha na lip balm. So, let's try it out din in this video. I don't usually do get ready with me. So, I mean dito sa YouTube. Parang masyado palang madami. Well, saktong-sakto na nagagato ako kasi sa resort kami magpupunta. Taray. I mean, ganun lagi yung mga yung event sa yung gantong event. Kasi every year or every sem ba? Hindi ko alam. Baka every sem. Sa end ng sem or year. I think year. Every end ng year, meron kaming parang last formal na tinatawag. So, doon send off. Pero send off talaga yung tawag. Doon, grabe, ang dami ko pala talaga nalagay, guys. So, yung isang sachet, yun. Pero wala naman kasi kayong sachet. So, just put the right amount. Pag meron na kayong actual asa na ako? Yun. Yung last formal ay parang goodbye siya para sa mga gagraduate from our org. So, ayun, usually ini-invite yung mga ninang sponsors. Hindi Hindi ko alam talaga kung gaano kayo knowledgeable sa org scene ng UPLB. Pero, when you have an org sa UPLB, meron kang ninang. So, parang siya yung tatayong parents. Parents, akala mo talaga laging parents sa mga inaanak. Siya yung tatayong, guidance mo throughout the process and kahit nasa loob ka na ng org. So, some people have very close bonds dun sa mga sponsors nila, sa mga ninong-ninang nila. But others, sakto lang, gano'n. So, ayun. So, usually, yun nga, pag last formal, magsa-send off na yung mga graduates. Tapos pupunta yung mga sponsors, yung mga ninang-ninang, ganyan. Tapos yung mga bloodline. So, bloodline, kunyari, ako yung ninang mo, yung ninang ko, bloodline mo yun. Parang gano'n. Ewan ko kung the same goes for every org, pero ganun yung sa amin. So, yeah. For today, may last inaanak from the org na gagraduate. Okay naman na yung sun cream. I think masyado lang talaga akong madaming nalagay. And, how does it feel? Okay lang. Hindi naman siya malagkit. Though, I think, medyo oily siya. May oil ba to? Or nagpapauso lang ako? Hindi ko alam, be. Parang wala naman. Parang, siguro, malagkit pala siya. Hindi ko alam. Diba? Paano naman naging review yun? Parang medyo malagkit siya kasi nararamdaman ko siya sa kamay ko. Alam mo yun? Parang kanina wala naman akong nararamdaman. Pero ngayon, alam ko na may something. Pero sa face ko, wala naman akong nararamdaman. So, I guess, ang lesson for the day ay huwag niyong sobrahan. Saktahan niyo lang, kasi siguro kung sakto lang yung nilagay ko, hindi ko naman siya mararamdaman sa hands. Yeah, I'll do my makeup and then I'll get back to you kapag nasa lips na ako para ipakita yung Vice Cosmetics din na lip. Hello. I'm done with my makeup. I'm not sure if you'll see the difference. Pero sana naman nakita yung difference. Sayang naman yung pag-i-inarte ka. Pero it's just a 15-minute makeup. So gets ko din if di nyo makita yung difference. Dami yung nasabi. Anyways, I'll be using this. Sabi ko nga. I think it's the Sunwear Fresh Dew Lip Balm in shade Paradise. I got this dun sa event din. So, ito lang yung only product, actual size na nakuha ko that day. I've already tried wearing this. Hindi kasi ako talaga fan ng lip balm. Pero maganda naman siya. Ay, very sheer lang. Like baby girl lang yung atake niya. I think ang maganda naman dito is it moisturizes your lips. And mukha ka lang fresh. Ganun. I think the same with the Sunwear sun cream. Alam ko lang na may something. Pero di naman siya uncomfortable. So, okay lang. Ganun din naman usually yung feeling kapag naka-lip balm. So, pag mina-moisturize ang face. Ganun ata talaga. Ewan ko. Di ko alam. Nag-invento lang ata. Anyways, I'll just have to go out. Alis na ako. Iwan ko na yung baby ko. Punta na ako dun sa kitaan namin para makakain din ako before we go. Kasi gutom na ako. It's 1 p.m. I'll have to go na. Magkita lang tayo whenever we see each other. Hello, Yerbun. I'm sorry. It's actually already Monday. It's 6:55 p.m. So, gabi na rin. And that's just the clips that I have. We had fun during the event. So I think I've already explained what the event was. Congratulations to everyone out there that are graduating. Um, but yeah, I'm sorry kasi hindi ko talaga kinayang mag-vlog. No, kaya ko naman, pero I chose not to kasi I didn't wanna impose to the people na kasama ko during that day. So, nag-enjoy na lang ako. And I had fun. With my friends din kasi I had a few friends that I've only seen ulit since graduation. It's been 3 years since I graduated. So, yeah, wala na akong masasabi and I'm very sorry kasi I didn't want to go out just for the sake of having something to vlog. And honestly, for the past few days, I mean, sa past week, I wasn't feeling like myself. I didn't want to go out or do anything. So, I just wanted to do the bare minimum. So, kung ano yung bare minimum sa work ko, kung ano yung bare minimum for myself, which is taking a bath and brushing my teeth, yun lang talaga yung nagagawa ko. And so, parang if I had to push myself to vlog, it's a super extra step for me. But this is something that I love doing and it's just that I wasn't feeling myself. Kaya hindi ko siya nagagawa. But yeah, I think I'll have to end the vlog here. This is just really an outro and an apology kasi nga wala akong masyadong na vlog. But I think next week would be the same feels. Hopefully, I'll be able to vlog something. It's just that there are a lot of personal things that are happening right now, and I didn't want to share it online. Although, konti lang naman yung nanonood, but I wanted to keep it for myself and the people around me for now. Kaya, ayun. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any suggestions, because I've been doing makeup vlogs or videos in the past, and I stopped doing it kasi I'm not sure if may nagko-consume pa ng ganong type of media here in YouTube. But if you guys are interested sa aking 100,000 viewers, let me know in the comments just so I can continue doing it then. Yeah. I'll end the vlog here. Pangalawang best ko na sinabi yan, pero I'll end it here. I hope you guys have a great week ahead and I'll see you guys next week. Bye!